Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kortiwada. In this video, we will learn about how to access a HTML elements by using its class names. In our previous video, we observed about how to get an elements using getElementsById and getElementByName and also getElementsByTagName. In this video, we'll see about how to access elements using getElementsByClassName. Let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code. Here, I have created a HTML file and my JS file is linked up with HTML file by using script. Now, what I want to do, for example, you have a element called as h1 and this is having hi, I am heading, and let me have a paragraph where I'm using hi, how are you, and let me save this. Go back, reload. If you see here, hi, I am heading, hi, how are you? So what I'm doing, just I'm adding some classes for this by using a style tag. So let me create a style tag with color red, and let me use a color red inside this. So I wanna use this color red on two elements. One is h1 and one more is a paragraph. So let me save this, go back and reload. If you see here, we are getting red color. And also I have one more class called as font hyphen size hyphen 12. So I want to give a size of font hyphen size 12 pixel. Let me save this, and now just copy this and paste here. So I want to have a font of 12 and also red color. Let me go back, clear it off and reload. So if you go to the inspect and let me go back. Now what I want to do, just I want to access these two elements. Here I can access these two elements at a time by using class, because there is only a class where it is having a common part in both of the elements. So I want to access this h1 and paragraph by using its class name. How we can access? We have a object called as document and we have a method called as getElementsByClassName, and pass the class name as a string. What is my class name? The class name is color red. Let me pass it and let me store this inside elements. If you see here, get elements, elements is a plural, so you'll be getting an array of values or the elements. And let me print this elements. Let me save this, go back and reload. If you see here, we got a collection of two elements. One is h1 with color red and paragraph with color red. So here, whenever we are having extra class inside a paragraph, it will not bother about that class. That is, document object where we are using get elements by class name will focus only on the color red class, and it will ignore if you have external classes. Whatever the elements we have with color red, we are able to access. And now what I want to do, just pass this font size 12. So how many elements we have? Only we have one element, and we'll be getting an array of one element. Let me go back, clear it off and reload. If you see here, we got HTML collection with a paragraph where it is mapping to font size 12. So whenever we are giving font size 12, then that elements will be returned back to our elements variable. That's how a get elements by class name will work. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.